The STIHL BGA 45 is perfect for clearing leaves and light debris from garden paths, decking and driveways. It's an extremely light, quiet, handheld cordless blower for small gardens, and with an integrated 18-volt lithium-ion battery and slimline design, this blower can be easily charged and stored away when not in use. Other products in the lithium-ion range also include a grass trimmer, hedge trimmer and shrub shears. The compact BGA 45 blower is perfectly suited to smaller gardens, and it has a runtime of up to 10 minutes, which means you can clear up to 200 square meters of dry leaves from your patio or driveway. The tool also features a 4 LED charge level indicator that clearly displays the remaining battery level. For added comfort when using the blower, the soft rubberized handle and the tool's perfect balance gives you the best blowing angle towards the area you're clearing. To prevent the BGA 45 from being switched on accidentally, it comes with one of these activation keys, which should be removed from the machine when not in use. The machine will not work without it. To start the BGA 45, simply flick this switch forward, make sure your hand covers the trigger interlock, and then pull up the trigger. When using the BGA 45, always read the manual before use and make sure you use the correct personal protective equipment. With this tool, you should be wearing snug-fitting clothes, goggles, gloves, and sturdy footwear.